In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up your Prestashop. So let's dive right into it and make sure your online store is running efficiently and smoothly. To kick things off, you'll need to access your shop admin login. This is your gateway to all the controls that keep your online store humming along. Once you're logged in, you'll automatically find yourself at the Prestashop back office dashboard. This is the command center for managing and overseeing various aspects of your store. It's a familiar place where you handle everything from inventory to customer interactions, ensuring the smooth operation of your online business. Now, let's delve into the optimization process. On your dashboard, make your way to the Settings tab. Clicking on this will present you with a range of options designed to manage the functionality and overall performance of your store. From here, you'll want to locate and click on the Advanced Parameters option. This area is crucial as it's laden with tools and functionalities that are essential for optimizing the technical side of your shop. As you navigate through the advanced parameters, look for the Performance section. By clicking on Performance, you'll open up a whole suite of settings specifically geared toward enhancing the speed and efficiency of your Prestashop site. It's here that you can take control and make impactful changes to ensure your site runs like a well-oiled machine. One essential feature to identify is the Image Optimization option. If your setup includes this feature, be sure to switch it on. This tool is incredibly beneficial. It works by compressing images, which in turn reduces load time without sacrificing image quality. This means your website will not only look fantastic, but will also load quickly, a crucial factor in retaining visitors and providing a positive user experience. Next, you should enable all options related to Smart Cache, or CCC, which stands for Combine, Compress, and Cache. These settings are essential foundational elements of your site's speed strategy. By reducing the file size and ensuring faster delivery of content to visitors, enabling Smart Cache can truly transform your site's performance, providing a noticeable boost in speed and efficiency. It's a simple adjustment that can have profound results. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, not only will you have enhanced your Prestashop's speed, but you'll also be providing a smoother, faster browsing experience for your customers. This quick optimization can make a significant difference in your site's performance, making sure your visitors enjoy a seamless shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!